What's going on, guys? Adam here, back with another video. This one, I want to show you how I'm making thousands of dollars off the new iPhone 11. Now, you're probably wondering, it just came out. How are you making money? It's a very simple strategy, and I'm going to show you in just a second. But here's the cool part. I actually did not buy the iPhone 11. I don't plan on buying the iPhone 11. But you're probably wondering, well, how do you make money off the iPhone 11 if you don't actually have it and you don't plan on buying it? Well, what do people do with their old iPhones when the new one comes out? They sell them. And so I'm going to show you how I'm buying these, how you can too, and you start making money right now. So if you're ready, let's go. Alright guys, so this is how it works. I am going on to Craigslist and Facebook and I'm buying old iPhones, okay? Now the XS Max is not necessarily an old iPhone. This one right here, this is a 16 gigabyte iPhone 6 Plus, okay? This one is an old iPhone. I'm going out there and I'm buying a bunch of different iPhones, whatever I can find. I'm buying iPhone 6s, iPhone 7s, iPhone 8s. That's pretty much it. But I picked this one up because it was a great deal, all right? Let me show you what I'm doing. All I'm doing is going on to Craigslist and going down to cell phones. Okay, you can see right here. And I'm just trying to find different cell phones that I can find, buy, and turn around and sell. Here's what you need to understand. That yes, there's a bunch of different cell phones. Okay, there's a bunch of different ones for a bunch of different prices, but not all of these are going to get you anything in return. They're not going to make you any money. Okay, but the only way you can tell which ones will make you money is by understanding what they're actually going for. So I'm selling all these. I've sold 16 so far. I bought 19 in the past 5 days. Okay, and so in the past 5 days, I've sold 16 of them. Okay, 15 of these have been on eBay. One was local. Okay, so here's how you do it. Go to eBay, okay, and you're going to click on a button that says Advanced Search. It's going to be on the right side of your search bar. Come down here, click on Sold Listings, and type in whatever you want to type in. So I'm going to type in, let's see, let's go to Bellingham again, and let's see what they have. Okay, let's see. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to figure out if any of these are going to be good or not. For an iPhone 6s Plus, about 64 gigabytes, I'll spend about $60 on one. Here's the problem. Most of these people are wanting more than that for their phone. Okay, so you have to negotiate. So you come down here and just look, okay, and just see what there is. Okay, maybe there's nothing here. I don't know. Okay, takes a little bit of time. Okay, you just come scroll down. Maybe I'll look over in Portland. Okay, come over here and I'll look in the Portland, Oregon area and just see, is there anything here? Here's an iPhone 6, 32 gigabyte silver. That's for $100. Let's see. Let's type that in. Okay, so iPhone 6. What was it? 32 gigabyte. 32 gigabyte. Okay, silver. Okay, and I'm gonna hit search and see what those are selling for. Okay, sold for 51, 104. Okay, 120. Let's see, 70 parts only, $100. Okay, so maybe I come here and I send this person a message just to see, you know, how much would they be willing to actually sell their item for? Because I know if I can get this item right here for $50, I could sell it. Okay, I could sell for probably $100 to $130 would be my guess. But here's something that most people don't do. So let's say I come back here to Portland and I come over here and I type in broken. Okay, because I want to find something that's broken. I want to find a broken screen, a cracked screen, something. Okay, and this is Portland might not be a great area. Let's try this one. Try Yakima. Okay, or try cracked. I'm just typing that. Okay, unlock iPhone XS, $350. Clean iPhone XS unlocked for any company, ready to go. iPhone has a cracked screen, but everything still works. Got a new iPhone 11, so need it gone. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, that these people buy the new iPhone, but then they have to sell their old one to get some of the money back. So $350 or best offer. Let's see. Okay, yep, That's it. It's cracked screen. Okay. Now, how could we do this? Well, one thing I'd recommend. Okay, very simple. We go to eBay. I'm gonna come all the way up here. Go to advanced. Okay, still sold. iPhone XS. Okay, cracked screen. That's it. Hit search. Look at this. Parts only. Okay, $300. Apple iPhone. This is the XS Max. Okay, $531. That's parts only because it has a cracked screen. Parts only. This is the XS Max. Let's see. So right here, broken, unlocked, cracked screen, still works. Parts only, $450. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. You buy these things, $350 or best offer. Hey, I'll give you $300, and then I'm gonna take that phone, I'm gonna list it on eBay for $450, and I'll be able to make a profit off a $300 investment off a broken phone. I'm still gonna make some money, and that's how you need to look at this, because so many people, when they think about it, it's like, is it better to buy a new phone or get my old phone fixed? Just so that you're aware. Okay, to buy a new phone, okay, you can take your old phone, you can sell it and do whatever you want with it. That's fine. But what most people do is they look at, okay, I can spend $100 to get my old phone fixed, or I can upgrade and spend, $50 and make monthly payments to get a new phone. What are most people going to do? Most people are going to think short term and think, okay, it's half as much to buy a new phone than to get my old phone fixed. So what do? They buy the new phone, and then they sell their old phone. This is where you can make money. So if we come back here and look in Yakima, Washington, and just see, no, Google, no, an iPhone 7, maybe, iPhone 6, and let's click on that one. Asking $200 or best offer for both of the phones, or $100 for one. iPhone 6 is cracked and something's wrong with the battery. iPhone 5 is just cracked and missing home button, but otherwise, both phones work perfectly. Here's the cool part. Everyone thinks, okay, not everyone, but a lot of people think, okay, it's missing that button right here. Okay? Here's the problem. Here's what most people think is the issue. That, it's going to cost a lot of money to get the home button, and I got to fix this, and there's a bunch of issues. I don't know what happened with this, but, so you're going to need the screen, okay? You're probably going to need the digitizer behind it, okay? And then you're going to need a new home button. So you need a whole front, okay? Chances are you're going to need more than that as well. Who knows? But you think about that. How much is that going to cost? Okay? And then you factor that into what it actually costs to buy the items and then what it costs to sell. So let's look. iPhone 6 broken. Okay? Right here. Or iPhone 6 cracked. Let's see. iPhone 6 cracked. Okay? Let's see what they're selling for. Okay? $50. iPhone 8, $160. iPhone 6S, $60, iPhone 8, cracked, iPhone 50, okay? So right there, this person's asking $100 for one phone. It's not worth it. I'd keep on scrolling and go find something else. But that's all you're doing, and this is how simple this type of business is. So let me give you some tips really quick, okay? So I picked up this iPhone. This is the XS Max. It's a silver edition, 64 gigabyte. And it has a broken or cracked screen. I wouldn't say broken screen. It's cracked. Still works. Everything works. It just has a couple cracks through the screen. No big deal. I ended up picking this up for $280. Okay, for an XS Max. Okay, it's not gonna cost me that much to get the screen fixed, and then I'll sell it, and it'll pretty much be a brand new phone. Okay, this one right here. This is the iPhone 6S Plus, 16 gigabyte. Okay, pick this one up. I believe I picked this up for $40. I picked up other things as well. Okay, this one again. Cracked screen. Okay, I picked up a bunch of different things. I didn't just buy the phones. Okay, I buy phones. I'll buy different electronics. I'll buy other things as well other than the iPhones. But you gotta understand, you gotta figure out what your market is. Go out there and find stuff that you can sell. But let me give you some tips, okay? Because in this video, I want to explain how I'm making thousands of dollars off of the new iPhone 11, and this is how. People go and buy the new iPhone, so then I go and buy their old phones. Okay, I've sold 16 phones out of the 19, and I made almost $1,300 profit from those 16 phones. 15 of those phones were sold on eBay. One was sold locally back onto Craigslist. Okay, so I bought it off Craigslist and I resold it back onto Craigslist. That's how you're making money. Okay, in a simple business. Every year, okay, every year as far as from what I remember, Apple has released a new phone in September. So every year in September, that's what I do. And I've been doing this for the past like 4 years. And I've been buying the old phones and flipping them onto eBay or flipping them back onto Craigslist or selling them to people that I know. It's just a business, okay? So that's one tip is remember, when the new phone comes out, don't look for the new phone. Don't buy the new phone. Buy the old ones. Make some money off the old phones because soon enough, you can pay for the new phone with your profits from selling the old ones. Think about it, okay? Second tip that I have for you guys, negotiate every single deal, okay? This one right here, they're asking $500 for a broken phone. I didn't even give them $300, okay? The reason why is because they had no leverage. They already had the new phone. They needed the money to pay for that new phone, okay? They borrowed against their credit cards or whatever, okay? I'm not sure where they got the money, but they needed the money now to pay for their phone that they already had in their hand. So, who had the leverage? I did, okay? You as the buyer almost always have the leverage, especially when it comes to new iPhones, because there's already one coming out or there's already one out that they want. So, you got the cash in hand, you buy the product. It's that simple, okay? So, always negotiate. And don't be generous with the negotiations. What I mean by that, they're asking $500. I could have said $450. I could have said $400. I could have said $300. Okay? I started at $250. Okay? And they came down very quick. Why? Because they had no leverage. Okay? It's all about leverage when you're buying something. Think about that. Let me give you one more tip. When you buy any product, okay, both of these have cracked screens. Okay? That's not a big deal to me. Why? Because I can still sell it on eBay with a cracked screen. You saw it. Okay? You just type in iPhone XS Max, 64 gigabyte cracked screen and see what they go for. I guarantee you they go for more than $280. I'll be able to make some money, okay, over and over again doing this exact same strategy. So many people are. The reason why I'm telling you this is because this is something you can do every single year, multiple times, and you can do it with almost any product. Phones work extremely well. The Apple Watches still work well. The iPads, tablets, okay, new computers. When somebody gets a new computer, what do they do with the old one? You'll keep it and they use it as a backup sometimes, but most of the time they try to sell it. And they can't sell it because they don't know who to sell it to, or they don't know how much it's actually going for. Or what happens the majority of the time, nobody knows what it's worth. And that's where you can come in. As long as you know your products, as long as you do your research ahead of time, you can make money. So, if you guys have any questions on how you can make money with the new iPhone 11, let me know, okay? I explained it right here. It's very simple. You buy and sell the old phones, not the new ones. The new ones aren't going to make you any money, okay? The new ones are just going to put you farther and farther into debt. Buy the old phone, start making money, start turning that profit into an actual business. So again, if you have any questions, you can always ask your questions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, click that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I'll see you guys on the next one.